Okay, today is May 14th, 2025. It's a gorgeous day. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. The guy just came and delivered some more garden mix, which I have to put shovel by shovel into the garden beds and plant, which I have the plants. That's going to be the fire pit. Got some block there. And yesterday went to Home Depot. And got some gravel and chips. I'm gonna make the I guess it's gonna be 4x4 for the fire pit. Got the fire permit, and the guy was nice enough to dump some of that garden mix up here. So I can fill in where the dirt settled around that cesspool. And you can hear the jet. Can't see it, but you can hear it. Oh, it's a lot of work, but it really is pretty today. Can't see that jet. Fire. Okay, are you ready for your bath, Mr. Jake? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna clip this to the next one when it's all finished.